Try this amazing soft and fluffy pineapple jam bread for your kids, and trust me, they are going to love it. This is very soft, super soft, very delicious, and I hope you try it for them. Let's get started. To my mixing bowl, I added in warm milk followed by sugar, dry active yeast, and then stirred until well combined before adding in flour. So this flour I took from the 3.5 cups of flour that I used. So add in some, wait until everything has come together, cover it with a cling film, and then let it rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. You want to activate the yeast before going in with the rest of the ingredients. After 15 minutes, this is what it's supposed to be. Go ahead and add in the rest of the ingredients, which is sugar, melted butter, eggs, pineapple flavor, powdered milk, salt, and the rest of the flour. I'll leave the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. Go ahead, make sure everything has come together, and then until it has formed a dough, and then transfer it on your work surface. So as you can tell, you need few ingredients, simple ingredients for this amazing recipe. Sprinkle flour on your work surface and then transfer the dough on it. Knead it for about 7 to 10 minutes. You want a stretchy dough, so make sure you play with the dough. Have time for it. At the end, it will become stretchy, very soft and delicious. Not sticky, but stretchy, very soft and delicious. So go ahead, play with it until you are done. Put it back in the bowl, cover it with a cling film, and then let it rest for at least 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. So the dough shouldn't be sticky at all. While the dough is resting, we can go ahead and make the filling. In my saucepan, I added in fine chopped pineapple, salt, a pinch of salt, sugar, and lemon juice. I'll then let this cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So stay close to it, keep stirring until the liquid in it has evaporated. That's what you're looking for. It should be something like this. You can make any filling of your choice, but I prefer this time around of using pineapple. So after 1 hour, deflate the dough, fold it as seen in the video, and then cover it with a cling film. Let it rest for at least 30 minutes again before moving to the next step. And making it like this, your dough will be more stretchy and very soft. After 30 minutes, bring it back, transfer it on your work surface, and go ahead, divide it into smaller pieces. So I got 12 pieces. It was around 70 to 80 grams each, depending on the quantity of your dough. So bring one, roll it in the ball shape on your palm, and keep it aside. It should be something like this. Cover it with a cling film or a napkin to stop the surface from drying out. Bring one of the dough, sprinkle your work surface with some flour, transfer one of the dough on it, and then sprinkle flour on top. Go in with your rolling pin and roll it flat like this. The thickness should be around 2 millimeters, and then try your best as much as possible to roll it in a rectangular shape like this. Scoop about a tablespoon of the filling in and then press it. Make sure you press it very well. When done, go in with your pizza cutter and then divide it into 2, then 5 parts each. After, all you have to do is to cross it and then put one side under the dough. So bring one, cross it, put the other side, one side under the dough, and then just keep doing it. Please, if you don't understand anything, just watch the video carefully and you'll do it. It's very simple. Bring one, cross it, and then push one under the dough. It's very simple. It is easy. It is very easy. So this is what you're looking for. It should be something like this, and you're good to go. Beautiful. Cover it with a cling film and then let it rest for at least 30 minutes or until it has doubled in size. Once it has doubled in size, go ahead and brush on top with an egg wash and bake this bad boys at 180 degrees Celsius from 20 to 22 minutes. 22 minutes, it should be ready. After, all you have to do is to brush on top with some melted butter and you're good to go, guys. This was delicious. The kids were all over it. It's not just beautiful, but delicious as well. It was super soft. You get a soft bread. Wow, you will love it. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video, and I know you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at it. As you can tell from the video, this is very soft, and watching the bread itself carefully, it's very soft, very delicious, and you will love it. See you till then. Bye bye.